Welcome to our video on making money online. In today's world, there are numerous opportunities to earn money through the internet. From freelance work to starting your own online business, the possibilities are endless. But with so many scams and get-rich-quick schemes out there, it's important to separate fact from fiction when it comes to making money online. So, in this video, we'll be discussing the reality of making money online, and what it takes to succeed. 1. It's not easy money. Contrary to what some may believe, making money online is not a get-rich-quick scheme. Just like any other form of income, it requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. Many successful online entrepreneurs and freelancers have spent years building their businesses before seeing any significant profit. So, if you're looking for an easy way to make a quick buck, making money online may not be for you. 2. It requires skills and expertise. To make money online, you need to have a skill or expertise that people are willing to pay for. Whether it's writing, graphic design, programming, or social media marketing, you need to be able to offer something of value to potential clients or customers. If you don't have any marketable skills, you may need to invest time and effort in learning them before you can start earning money online. 3. It involves risk. Just like any other business venture, making money online involves risk. There's always the possibility of failure, and you may need to invest time and money into your online venture before seeing any return on investment. However, with the right strategies and approach, the risk can be minimized, and the potential for success can be maximized. 4. It requires persistence. One of the most important factors in making money online is persistence. It's not uncommon for online businesses to fail or for freelancers to experience dry spells in their work. But those who are persistent and continue to learn and improve their skills and strategies are the ones who ultimately succeed. So, there you have it, the truth about making money online. It's not easy money, it requires skills and expertise, involves risk, and requires persistence. But for those who are willing to put in the effort and have the right mindset, making money online can be a rewarding and lucrative venture. Just remember to do your research, stay focused, and never give up on your goals. If you're enjoying this video, why not show some love by giving it a like? Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.